What's up? What's up? What's up? AJ here coming at you with another video on another firearm. This is the Ruger LCP. I'm really in love with this firearm. As you can tell through the witness hole, it is loaded. So I'm going to go ahead and unload it real quick. I keep it loaded with Hornady Critical Defense. I'm going to move the ammo out of the way. Just a double check. We are clear. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to disassemble and reassemble this firearm. And it's really quite simple. I'm going to do this for you not once, not twice, but 3 times. As you can see, I got a little flathead screwdriver here. And if you look, you can see this pin. All I'm going to do is use my flathead and pop that pin out. Make sure you do not pull the trigger or this will be more difficult. From there, the slide just comes off. The spring comes out along with the barrel. It's that simple. Now, when you take the spring out, you need to be careful because as you can tell, there's 2 springs here along with the guide rod. And that can just spring out and be kind of hard to find depending on your situation. So to reassemble, we're just going to do everything in reverse. We're going to take the slide flat side down and reassemble it and slide it in place. Next, we're going to take the spring and it'll catch right there on that lip. And then we're going to go ahead and put the slide back on. Now, sometimes the slide can get caught. If you just play with it a little bit, that'll be that much easier. Now, if you look where that pin goes, you see a little metal piece. What I'm going to do is take this pin and I'm going to push down on that metal piece and kind of move it out of the way. And then I can kind of slide it in just like so. From here, I'm going to take my thumb, apply light pressure, and move the slide back a little bit, and it'll slide right back in, just like so. Cock that slide back, and you're good to go. I put some paint on the front sight to make it easier to catch the eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and take it apart one more time. I'm going to do this a little bit faster this time. Pop that out. Move the slide. Take the spring out. The barrel. And set your slide down and you're good. To reassemble, I'm going to go over that in a minute. I just want to give you a close-up of the frame itself. This really is a beautiful firearm. They did a great job making this. All right, so putting it back together, I'm going to just reverse the process, just like so. Just like that. It's that easy. Now I said I was going to do this 3 times, so I'm going to do this one more time and you can do it with me. I'm going to do this slower. Pop that out. Just like so. And now we're going to go ahead and put it back. And that's it, guys. That's all she wrote. That's how you disassemble and reassemble your Ruger LCP. Till next time, deuces.